You started it? Okay, I don't know if this is it, but we'll see. Right now it's gonna fight me and not let me open it. I got it. Okay. Let's see, because it came from a really weird address. If this is the big one, maybe, maybe not. Let's see, let's see. Uh-oh. This is it. This is it. L2 Comma Club Award. I put this in my little notebook a long time ago, many years ago, about 3 or 4 years ago, when I started off in affiliate marketing. I said I want to win one of these things, and it's finally here, and I'm kind of like scared to mess with it because it feels very fragile. I never thought that it would feel like that. The box itself was really light, so I didn't even think that this was it, but I'm really excited. This is crazy. This is like the actual thing. Oh my god. I'm scared I'm gonna break it now. Knowing me, after all this time, I'm gonna smash it to pieces because I'm a big idiot. All right, let's see here. Oh, Lord, please don't break it. Oh, there we go. There it is. Joel Vasquez, the affiliate franchise. Can you turn on that light right there? Thank you. Yeah, awesome. 2 Comma Club, $1 million in a funnel. And I'm not showing this to brag or like show all my stuff. It's mostly to show that even 7 years in prison, drug addict, alcoholic, doesn't matter. I don't care what your background was, what you went through, what you did. If you make a plan, you follow that plan, you stick to it, anyone can do this. 100%, I promise you. I am living proof anyone can do this. You put your head down, you go for it, you don't listen to anyone around you because there's a lot of naysayers. Just stick to what you know you can do. It is a process, it does take time, but anyone can accomplish this. So I'm gonna hang this up. You'll see it in the back of all my videos now. I'm really excited to have it finally. And I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.